everyone, Nappyneedz here again. This week I'm giving you a bit of a chat about a microwave steriliser for menstrual cups. So I got sent this cool little contraption here from a company called Nappyneedz, and they do menstrual cups, and then this is one of their new products, a microwave steriliser. And how it works is you just take the lid off, and it's a wee collapsible cup. You put your menstrual cup in there, fill it up with water up to the top of the menstrual cup and pop it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Once it's done, take it out, take your menstrual cup out, menstrual cup's been sterilised, stick it in its wee cotton bag, and then this here you can just fold back up into its little form, stick the lid on and chuck it in your bag or in your bathroom drawer for next time. So super easy and convenient. One of the things you do need to know though is when you're sterilising your menstrual cup and you have it in there, you can't put the lid on the steriliser because it'll explode and you'll have your menstrual cup go everywhere. So when you sterilise it, you just pop the cup in with the menstrual cup in it and with the water. So really cool, groovy product. I'm looking forward to chucking it in my travel bag and being able to sterilise my menstrual cup on the road. Thanks for sending me this, Nappyneedz. It's great to see some new products, and if you want to know more and where to get these, we'll have a link at the bottom of the video to the Nappyneedz website. So thanks again, that's it from me today, and I'll see you next time with a different topic.